Hey Jeff, it's Eddie with Multiman Services. I just did a quick walk around at the E and the G here, and noticing a couple things that we can help you with aside from the house washing. So the shingles here are starting to develop that algae or the moss. It's growing roots down into your shingles, so I'm going to give you some options to get that cleaned off, which is a good idea because it further accelerates the aging process of your roof with all that extra unnecessary moisture. And when that stuff kind of dries out by itself, it removes part of the protective granulars or sand on your shingles, and then it exposes the asphalt, starts to dry out. So cleaning is a good idea. And then after cleaning, we do encourage a conditioning treatment for roofs that are older than 17 years to help rehydrate the shingles so that it continue to perform properly. So I'll get you some options for cleaning up these properties here. Look forward to working with you when you're ready. Take care.